We found the screw! Guess where it is? Here, look. Right here. Show it. Show that screw. Oh my god.
They were blind.
So that is the screw. So basically, guys, if you go crazy looking for the screw, you know where to find it basically. It's right on the top. Right here. Okay? And that screw goes into the back. Where is it? Here.
Yeah.
Just there. Like that. And that's how you screw it in. Easy. Done.
Alright, wicked.
Unboxing the Bissell Pro Heat 2x Revolution Pet Pro Carpet and Upholstery Washer. Let's go! This thing is huge. Look at the size of this box. Alright, let's go. Let's open this. Okay. I'm gonna move the camera around actually. Hold up. Alright, we got my brother here. Go on, open it up, man.
I'm like a personal assistant right now.
Let's go. Let's go. This is
We open it.
huge. It's like above the table.
Get a manual
Got a manual.
that tells you everything. Then obviously you got the attachments.
Alright, why don't you turn it towards you?
Oh, why? It's gonna break it.
Okay. Start off with this.
Okay.
Move that in. Oh, okay. What we
Comes
got?
with some.
What's that?
This looks like a knife, bro. You're only chopping.
What is this?
I don't know what it is.
Okay, we have no. Oh, it's a nozzle clean out tool. You got a
Look at
nozzle
this,
clean out tool.
Gives oxygen boost.
You got oxygen boost.
They give you oxygen. If you have that, you get this.
Very nice. What's that?
I think this is like a more of a hand tool in it,
Okay.
just to get all the nitty
That's
gritty.
more of the. That's pretty cool.
quite a lot
That's
of
more of a hand small tool. Maybe like a nozzle. Check the bottom out.
Oh, nearly dropped that.
Stick that there. What's this? Another hand tool
There's a couple.
with a bristle to get real deep.
This is more for like the corners. So
That's cool, man.
it's for the corners.
So
the stair
that's
tool.
for the corners, 3-in-1
It says it there,
stair tool. You know,
And I think this is just like a cleaner.
to get into the corners of the stairs. Okay, what's this?
That's done from box one.
That's done. What's that? A cup. Probably a cup for the oxygen stuff. Alright, let's get that machine out.
Okay,
Let's go.
put that here.
Turn it this way.
I'm gonna put it this way, so it's easier to take out.
Whoa, that is big. Alright. What's this now? That's the top part. Open that.
Like a little.
Oh, okay. Looking good. Why don't you do this? Why don't you put the whole box on the floor and then move it on top one by one? So, put the whole box on the floor. And then as you pull it off, go on, pull it on the floor. And as you pick it up, you put the stuff here. So that's
Box is quite slippery.
That's a nice.
Okay, the next thing that comes in.
The design is solid.
There's another little
There's
box
more
there,
packaging.
but that
looks like the. Oh,
I think you gotta
the tank.
fill the you gotta fill
So
this.
all the dirt, all the rubbish will come out into this.
So you get a nice little fancy bag as well for the pipe.
Pipe there. That's just the pipe.
Yeah, more
Now
cleaners.
for the machine. More cleaner. Nice.
Wash
So
and
you
protect.
get more solution.
This is Pro Stain.
This is wash and protect. And this is the wash and protect something. Oh no, it's a different color. One's for pets and one's for us humans. And now for the machine. Now for the transformer itself. Yeah, chuck it up here, chuck it up here. What happened? You dropped something.
Yeah,
What did you drop? He's already breaking things. You dropped this, I know what that is. Looks like some
Holder.
attachment or holder that goes somewhere. So this is the actual machine. Go on, open that up. Whoa, revolution. Revolution is a mystery. Open that up. That's pretty cool, I like that.
That's how you clean it, basically.
What's at the bottom? Show the bottom. Just turn it upside down. As in,
These are the bristles.
There is the bristles that do all the cleaning. Nice. It's a beautiful.
Let's assemble it. Let's assemble it quickly and show them how it
Let's
looks.
assemble it.
Okay.
Put it on the floor. It'll be easier, no?
Oh, hell. This needs to be attached. Oh. It tells us where this needs to be attached. So I'm trying to figure this out right now.
Okay, we're gonna figure this out. No, can you see it? We're gonna figure this out. Now let's go. So instructions say step 1 is click first. So let's do it on the floor. Should we do it on the floor?
Oh, I think it's fun here, man.
I'll do it up here. Follow, always. Hey, watch, yo. Always follow instructions. Step 1 is this first, which says click. Okay. Don't know why it's not clicking, but it should click. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's in. That's clicked in. Step 2. That little box thing. Yo, you even recording anything?
Man.
Get it in, innit? Yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna be thingy. Step 2. These instructions make no sense, but let's see.
It doesn't say that. Look what it says. You need to put that little clip in first.
I know, but I can't find it. Where's the clip?
Align the carry something.
Step 2 is this. Don't put clean tank. See, you gotta read. And this is why, kids, you gotta read. Look, do not put the clean tank on until the step 4. So step 2 is this. So we just need to clip this in, and it goes like this. It has to go here on this side. It's on the wrong side. You got the wrong side completely. Look. So it's here. So you clip it there. See that? That's clipped in. Yeah. Okay. Step 3. Screwdriver. Okay, this has to come off. I have to chop this off. Ding. Oh, good. Now that we clipped it in, that's not a good thing because that thing needs to come out.
What thing?
That plastic shit. How do we get that out? Yo, come here. Guys, we messed this up. Big time. That's stuck in there.
Hey, good. Hold on.
Get that out, yo. Hold on. Okay, these are such confusing instructions because it says step 3 and use a screwdriver.
It says you need
when
to
they haven't even given a screw. Have they given a screw?
No, they haven't.
Or a screwdriver? No, nothing. So okay, that's not good. So they didn't give that. Okay.
It says there's supposed to be a screw here, but there's no screw.
There's no screw. There is no screw. We're gonna try hunting it down, but there is no screw. But anyways, that is the full machine standing up. The last part is, hold that. You just clip this in. Guide the water, the clean water tank on top. Just guide it in from here and clip it down. And you're done. And that's the full, check it out. Show the machine. That's the full machine. So we're gonna test out on this rug. Let's go. And this is the aftermath. Perfect, looks so good, so clean. So thumbs up for this product.